Hello, line dancers. I am so excited to teach you today a lovely improver dance, and it's called She Gave Me the Brush. Nice little dance choreographed by the awesome Deborah O'Hara from Canada, aka Dancing Debbie. We are going to be doing this dance little by little, as I like to do, breaking the steps, and then we kind of like put them all together and we do the counts. So it's 32 counts. 2 walls, no tags, no restarts. Thank you, Debbie. Music by Joshua Siska. So let's get started. Are you ready? I am. Let's go. Let's go with section 1. You're going to have the body weight on your left foot. You're going to grind your right foot. So you're going to swivel your toes from left to right. As you do that, you're going to recover that body weight on your left as you turn. So you grind and you step just to recover there. You're going to step back with your right together with the left, moving into a step lock forward. So we're going to bring the right foot forward, lock left behind, step forward again with the right, and do that little brush with your left. And you hold your balance. Woo! Okay. So that was your section 1. Let's continue from here. Left foot goes down, toe taps to the back. We're going to step back on the right as we do a quarter turn to the left. So your right foot is going to turn you or step back as you hitch your left quarter turn, and check that balance. Yay. We're going to do another quarter turn as we step to the left, quarter turn, and we hitch the right. And we do one more time. Step down on the right and quarter turn, hitch the left. Yay. All right. Let's continue. We're going to do a half box modify a little bit. All right. You're going to step left together, forward left, right together, open to the right together. As you go back, you're going to go back right, and instead of together, you're going to open on your left. Shoulder width, ooh, not too big, okay? So here goes now the last section. You're going to swivel your heel on your toes. You're going to do the heel, the toe, then goes back, out, heel, sorry, that's toe, then heel. As you do the next toe, you're going to lunge forward a little bit, a little lounge there. And you're going to drag slowly together. And then there's the dance. We did it. Yay. All right, let's put it all together. Okay, so here we go again in 5, 6, 7. We grind, quarter turn, step left, step back together, step lock forward right, brush the left, step forward left, toe back, tap, step back, hitch quarter turn, step left, quarter turn, hitch right, step down right, quarter turn, hitch. We're going to go into the box, step to the front, step to the right. Now we step back and open. We're going to swivel, heel, toe, the right, and then the right goes toe, heel, toe. As we do the toe at the end, we'll launch sideways and then drag the right foot together. And we are on the second wall, which means we start all over again. Let's do it with a count. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8. Goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay! You did it. All right. Now let's talk about a little bit of fun. Yay, fun. We're going to put a little styling into this. It's a Deborah O'Hara dance. So of course we know there got to be some styling into it. So the first one we want to add for some fun is some claps. And we're going to do that every time we do the hitch, right? So we were on this wall as we did the tap. We're going to do into the step as we hitch, we clap. We step down, we clap. We step down, we clap. There it is. A lot of fun when we do that, right? So every time there's a hitch, we can add a clap for fun. Awesome. Next one we're going to do is when we do that little forward box. We want to do a little bit of a Percy, not too much, right? But you find that invisible hat. I'm going to do it this way. So you're going to do that side together as you go forward with the left, you grab the head and you can kind of point a little bit in the back if you want, right? But the trick is just to kind of go forward, do the touch with a little bit of a tappy tappy on your head. Yes? So you can do that on the box, on this wall, side together, forward touch, side together, open, open. Yay? Perfect. And the last one is a little gun, safe gun, just your pretty finger there. So when we do the lunging, okay, we are open. You're going to come heel, toe. As we go out, toe, heel. We are going to kind of use that gun as we lunge forward, and then we drag it in when the toe comes in. And there you have it. Okay, so now let's put some count into it. Let's do it. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Starts again. There we go. Have fun.